Welcome to our channel. If you're traveling internationally, follow these step-by-step instructions to prevent your credit cards from being blocked. Step 1. Contact your bank before traveling to notify them of your trip. Provide specific travel dates, destinations, and countries you'll visit so they can note your account. Step 2. Set up travel notifications through your bank's mobile app if available. Many banks allow you to enter travel plans digitally without calling customer service. Step 3. Provide multiple contact numbers where the bank can reach you abroad. Include your mobile number, hotel numbers, and emergency contacts in case they need verification. Step 4. Carry multiple payment methods, including credit cards from different issuers. Having backup cards ensures you're never stranded if one card is frozen or declined. Step 5. Enroll in your bank's mobile alerts and fraud monitoring. Enable notifications for all transactions so you can quickly identify and verify charges made abroad. Step 6. Save your bank's international customer service phone numbers before leaving. Regular customer service numbers often don't work internationally, so find collect call or international numbers. Step 7. Test your cards before traveling by making a small international online purchase. This confirms your cards work for international transactions and allows you to resolve issues before departure. Step 8. Keep your bank informed if you extend your trip or visit additional countries. Contact them to update travel notifications so legitimate charges aren't flagged as fraud. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.